Friends, let us today do a derivation of Kc and Kp. Derivation of Kc and Kp. Let us consider an equation. AA plus BB gives us CC plus DD. Here capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D are respectively two reactants and two products. A, small b, small c, small d are the number of moles. Kc is equal to concentration of products upon concentration of reactants, which is equal in a square bracket. This square bracket represents concentration of C to its number of moles in the power, concentration of D to the number of moles in the power upon A, B, number of moles are in power respectively. This is the proof of Kc. Now Kp. Kp is only for gases or aqueous, that is ions. For solids and liquids it is 1. Consider an equation AA in gas, BB which is also a gas, CC gas, and DD which is also a gas. Now Kp is equal to partial pressure of gas C raised to power number of moles into partial pressure of D raised to power number of moles upon partial pressure of A raised to power number of moles into partial pressure of B raised to power its number of moles. This is the derivations for Kp and Kc. Now let us make a relation in between them. Relation. Kc can also be written as C, where C represents the concentration of C raised to the power C into concentration of D raised to power D upon concentration of A raised to power A and concentration of B raised to power B. Now, according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Here P is pressure, V is volume, N is number of moles, T is temperature in Kelvin, and R is a constant whose value is 0.0821 atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Now, Kp can be written as Pc C dot Pdd, partial pressure of C with respect raised to power number of moles of C, partial pressure of D raised to power number of moles of D, partial pressure of A raised to power number of moles of A, partial pressure of B raised to power number of moles of B. But according to equation 1, if pressure is of C, then number of moles of C R, which is a constant, T upon V. PD is equal to N D R T upon V. PA is equal to N A R T upon D. Number of moles of A, number of moles of D. V. Pressure of B is equal to NVRT upon. We know that C is equal to N by V. Therefore, PA will become CART, PB will become CBRT, PC will become CCRT, and PD will become CDRT. Now, substituting these values in this equation, we get C R T raised to power C. We are to substitute it here. C D R T upon D, C A R T upon A, and C B R T upon D. We will get C C dot C D raised to power C upon C A raised to power A dot C B raised to power B. I am taking RT, bases are same, powers will get added here only for RT into RT raised to power C plus D upon RT raised to power A plus B. CC dot CDC CAA dot CBB. C is concentration here, that is RT equals C plus D minus A plus B. These are number of moles. Actually, see the equation. In this equation, D plus C minus A plus B. These gives us number of moles of gas. CC dot CD C upon CAA CBB into RT raised to power delta N, number of moles of gases. Here G represents the number of moles of gases. But CCC dot CDC upon CAA dot CBB equals to Kc. See here, it equals to Kc. Therefore, Kp equals to Kc RT raised to power A plus RT raised to power C plus D minus A plus B. Here this is delta Ng, that is Kp equals to Kc RT raised to power delta Ng. henceforth.